Where are we, Steve? We're in the van outside Triangle Stores, aren't we? Elaine's just nipped in to post some letters. I'm just sort of looking around.
I can see some houses in there.
Some what?
Some houses in there.
Houses?
Yeah. It's just not working.
Elaine's old building up there somewhere. Kids?
Tesco's.
Where?
Tesco's.
Zoom up to Tesco's.
Leave them tapes in here now, can't they? Come on. Steven, stop.
The FM Marble van. Back.
Do you want me to run? So which stadium do you want? What time of the day?
You've chosen weather and tornado.
Football match. You could have had the snow, play football in the snow, couldn't you? Commentator.
Do I start? Do I start? Yeah, I do start. Where did I start?
That blow whistle,
Where
big
did I
whistle come
start,
on.
man? How come the player two's playing? Oh, just. Oi, that is a red card. You see, this map is right in the air. Aha, baby. X is pass. Come on, then, just shoot down. Get me. Mister. I didn't tackle me.
It's very realistic, right?
Yeah.
It's the computer buffs. You sussed it out,
If
yeah?
we tick none and do that, Elaine has, but I haven't. It'll do the clear so you can get a picture behind it. Oh, we don't really want to do that, do you? We don't gotta, I think you need to do one where you can jot things down, I know, with the little squares all like that. Like that lines, yeah.
Don't put your nose. Ah. We have our new money box. And we have a few 20p's. Benny.
Oh, stupid goalkeeper. I hate the goalkeeper. Oh, I'm not so bad.
Say hello, Ben. Look at the camera.
What?
Look at the camera. Joe. then digging into the chocolates.
And the chocolates. There's never a corner.
And then we're having pizza in the box tonight. Aren't we, Ben?
Oh. Here you go.
Hey, look at a date on here, Elaine.
There's a menu button.
Pardon me. Well,
Did you press the set button after you did the date and time and everything?
Yeah? Yes, worked. Stayed on for 10 seconds, like.
Dad,
Mm.
can we watch the replay after?
Well, this bit is the computer messy room. Note all the stuff on the bed. Hang on!